In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extra columns in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create more space for your data without disrupting your workflow. First, go to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet where you want to add columns. Make sure you have edit access to the file. At the top of your sheet, you'll see the column headers labeled with letters like A, B, C. Click the letter of the column that sits next to where you want the new space. This selection is important because Sheets will use it to decide where to adhere to place the extra columns. For example, if you want a new column to appear before column C, click the C header to select that column. Next, look to the menu bar at the very top and click Insert. This is where Google Sheets keeps all the tools for adding new elements, including rows, columns, and other objects. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry. Everything for columns is grouped in one place inside this menu. Now, within the Insert menu, choose Columns. When you hover over or click columns, you'll see options related to adding columns relative to your current selection. This is the quickest and most reliable way to insert new columns exactly where you need them. Finally, choose the specific placement. You can select Insert one column left to place a single new column to the left of your selected column, or Insert two columns right to place two new columns to the right. The exact number you see in the option depends on how many columns you've selected beforehand. If you selected one column, you'll see options for one column. If you selected two adjacent columns, the menu will offer to insert two. Once you click your choice, Sheets will immediately add the columns and shift existing data accordingly. The column letters will update automatically, and any formulas using A1 style references typically adjust to include the new positions. A few tips to keep things smooth. Before inserting, think about how the shift will affect linked formulas, charts, filters, or protected ranges. If something doesn't look right after inserting, use Undo to revert instantly. After creating space, you can rename your headers, format the new columns, and drag the boundary between column letters to adjust width so your content fits neatly. And that's it. Go to your sheet, use Insert, choose Columns, and pick Insert one column left or Insert two columns right based on your selection. With this approach, you can confidently expand your spreadsheet exactly where you need more room.